Today we are making 3 easy, healthy snacks with Taima titanium kitchenware that will crush those cravings right away. Let's kick things off with something warm, high protein, and seriously satisfying. Cottage cheese egg bake. This is perfect when you want something cozy or filling, especially when the weather starts cooling down or if the New Year's goal for you is to eat healthier and stay on track. It's a quick source of protein that'll take only 15 minutes to prepare. What I love most about it though is that the recipe is really customizable. You can toss in whatever veggies, herbs, or leftovers you have on hand to make your very own cottage cheese egg bake that you'll actually want to look forward to eating. Start by preheating your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Then grab your Taima pure titanium pan. This pan is a game changer. Its non-toxic surface, even heating distribution, and nutrient-retaining design makes it perfect for cooking delicate mixtures like an egg bake. The pan will keep it perfectly cooked and easy to remove so you won't have to scratch at it later. Now, prep your mix-ins. Chop some fresh spinach, bell pepper, broccoli, carrot, whatever you have around. You only need about a cup of veggies, so it's a great way to use leftovers. You can even add ham or cooked sausage if you'd like. It's totally up to you. Next, crack 8 eggs into a high-powered blender along with a cup of cottage cheese. 1% fat will work great. Add seasonings, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture directly into your Taima pure titanium pan. Scatter chopped veggies on top and sprinkle with some shredded cheese if you'd like. Pop the pan into the oven and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 18 to 22 minutes, or until the egg bake is set and no longer jiggly. Let it cool before slicing and serving. Store any extras in an airtight container in the fridge. Perfect for busy mornings, post-workout fuel, or a quick protein snack. Now, who doesn't love something crunchy? Crispy veggie chips. These are proof that healthy doesn't have to be boring. They're crispy, salty, and most importantly, good for you. You can use any veggies you want: sweet potatoes, beets, zucchini, taro, or yellow squash. Get creative. Wash and slice them thinly. For high water veggies like zucchini or beets, sprinkle lightly with salt and let sit for about 15 minutes to draw out the moisture. Pat them dry, then toss lightly with avocado oil. Here is where your Taima pure titanium pan shines. You can bake your chips directly on the pan because the slip scale surface ensures nothing sticks. Titanium's even heat distribution helps every chip brown beautifully while retaining more nutrients, giving you a crispier, healthier snack. Arrange all of the slices in a single layer and bake for 15 minutes. Rotate halfway, bake for another 15, and then finish for 5 to 10 more minutes until crisp. Even if some of them feel soft right out of the oven, they'll firm up as they cool. And finally, something sweet and refreshing. Frozen Greek yogurt berry bowls. Ridiculously simple with just 3 ingredients. They're creamy, protein-packed, and filled with antioxidants. Blend together 230 grams of Greek yogurt, any fat level, 2 cups of berries, fresh or frozen, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Add honey, maple syrup, or stevia if you'd like it sweeter. Blend until smooth, then pour into bowls. And here's a little trick. To keep your berries cold without them melting, use Taima titanium ice cubes. They're sterile, naturally antibacterial, and never melt, keeping your snacks perfectly cold and clean. Top with cocoa nibs, chia seeds, bee pollen, or shredded coconut for extra texture. Who says healthy can't be tasty and amazing? These 3 snacks hit every craving: warm, crunchy, and sweet, all made with Taima titanium kitchenware. Healthy eating starts with healthy tools. Visit taimatitanium.com and upgrade your kitchen with cookware that's safe, durable, and nutrient-friendly. Which of these recipes are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more titanium cooking tips.